This is CPM Precalculus, Chapter 2, number 168. So here you're asked to write several sentences, and I'm going to make it several, make sure it's complete sentences, like a letter or something, to explain to someone who just transferred into the class. So somebody who's new to our class, how do you approximate the area under the curve y is equal to x cubed plus 2x plus 6 for -1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 3. So don't find the area, just explain how you would calculate it. Okay? And don't just say use your calculator, let's explain the steps. Okay? So things that should be included in your explanation. All the steps are: first do a sketch so you can see the graph, right? A quick sketch so you can see the graph, shade in the area you're looking for. Always find the width. How do you find the width? Remember, that's b minus a over n. Then you want to make sure to zoom in into the region, right? The region here is -1 to 3, right? And when you're zooming in, also make sure to label all points that touch the graph, right? So zoom in and label all the points that touch the graph. So also talk about using rectangles, right? And how you get the height of the rectangle is where the points touch the graph, okay? And then to go ahead and find the area of all the rectangles, area and is equal to add up every rectangle, so the base 1 times the height of the rectangle plus the base 2 times the height of the second rectangle, and so forth for every rectangle. Change this into summation notation, finding the linear series. You can start with k, right? K is 0 to n minus 1, and this could be, remember, is equal to delta x, which is the width, times f of a, which is where we start, plus delta x times k. So you can talk about this being the left-hand rectangle representation, okay? And then you could talk about how you can go ahead and evaluate that and how you get a number and its units squared because it's area. So go ahead and include all of these things in your explanation, and it should be complete sentences, right? And that's how you can go ahead and approximate the area under the curve, okay? So don't forget to go ahead and include all these things, a quick sketch, right? And then also zoom in to the region, breaking it up with the width, right? Depending on how many rectangles. So if you don't know how many rectangles, how many should you use? The more the better. But practically, you don't want to use too many because it might take a really long time unless you can use your calculator. But explaining it, just how to do it, you don't want to just say use a calculator because our calculator program is written given this information, right? So go ahead and explain all these things and use complete sentences, and hopefully your explanation will be able to be understood by any new student or anyone who's just joining our class without a lot of background knowledge specific to area under a curve. All right, so that's the general overview of CPM Precalculus Chapter 2, number 168.